How to create unlimited Gmail accounts. Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mubashir Sohail. I hope you all will be fine. Friends, I have seen many videos on the internet, but I did not find any video which have proper method to create unlimited Gmail accounts. I think there is only one method to create unlimited Gmail accounts, which I will tell you in this video. So let's start the video. First open Play Store, and in top right corner you found your Gmail you have already logged in. Tap on that Gmail, and here you can see I have created many Gmail accounts. Tap on add another account. Here you will wait for a while, and you can see checking info, and tap on create account for myself. Here you will give first name for your Gmail account and then last name, and it's optional, and then tap on next. Here you will give date of birth. You can give any month, date or year, day 5, year 2000, and gender which you want to select, male or female. I will select male and tap on next. Here you will give username of your Gmail account. I will give Mubashir Sohail 0 and 0777, and then tap on next. Here you will give password for your Gmail account. I will give password for my Gmail account, and then tap on next and tap on yes, I am in. Here you can see my Gmail account has been created, and now tap on next, and here you can read privacy and terms and agree with it, and tap on I agree. Here you will wait for a while, and you can see Google services. So my Gmail account has been created. You can repeat this method for 5 times, and you can create 5 Gmail accounts in one day. In this way you can create unlimited Gmail accounts, and I will create another Gmail account and add another Gmail account, and here you can see I will going to create another account, and here you can see I am giving my name and repeat the same method. You can create 5 Gmail accounts daily. I think there is no other method to create unlimited Gmail accounts. Here you can see I am going to create another Gmail account. So friends, in this way you can create many Gmail accounts. I am going to create 3 to 4 Gmail accounts live in this video, and you can see it, and you can see the whole video. Here you can see I have created another Gmail account, and tap on I agree. So friends, keep supporting me and like my video and share with your friends and families. Here you can see I have created many Gmail accounts in this way. So friends, keep supporting me. Take care of you and your family. Allah Hafiz.